What if I told you that your rising heart rate on a long run isn't a sign of failure, but a precise dashboard light telling you exactly when your aerobic engine is overheating? We've all been there. You're holding a steady pace, feeling good, but your watch says your heart rate is creeping up mile after mile. This is cardiac drift, and it drives data-focused runners crazy. Physiologically, your body is working harder to maintain the same output. Usually, as you sweat, your blood volume drops. Your heart has to beat faster to circulate that thicker blood to cool you down and fuel your muscles. But instead of panicking, we can use this divergence between pace and heart rate, called aerobic decoupling, as a diagnostic tool. It tells us how durable your aerobic base really is. Here is the golden rule for endurance training. We want to keep that drift under 5% for the duration of your long run. If you stay under 5%, your body is effectively clearing waste and fueling efficiently. If you see massive drift, over 6 to 10%, early in a run, it's a red flag. It usually means you started too fast for your current fitness, or you are significantly dehydrated. So, what do you do with this data? It depends on the goal of the day. If it's a zone 2 or recovery run, you must respect the drift. Slow down to keep your heart rate in the correct zone. If you don't slow down on easy days, you turn an aerobic recovery run into a threshold stress session. You accumulate junk miles that fatigue you without building the specific endurance we want. However, on race day or during a hard tempo workout, we ignore the drift. You push through it. In those moments, your goal is performance, not cardiac management. You simply accept the higher cardiac cost. Finally, look at the long-term trend. If your drift on the same 10-mile loop drops from 8% to 3% over a month, congratulations. That is tangible proof that your heart is getting stronger. Drift isn't a failure, it's feedback. Use it to check your hydration, adjust your easy run pacing, and track your fitness gains over time. Drift is just data. Listen to it, don't fear it.